Navigating unfamiliar waters. Understanding out of one's depth. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting English expression, out of one's depth. This phrase is not only vivid but also quite useful in everyday conversations. We'll explore its meaning, origins, and how you can use it in your own conversations. So, let's get started and unravel the depths of this expression together. The phrase, out of one's depth, is used to describe a situation where someone feels overwhelmed or lacking the necessary skills or knowledge in a particular area. Imagine swimming in a pool and suddenly finding yourself in a part where your feet can't touch the bottom. You're literally out of your depth. A situation that can easily turn into a metaphor for facing challenges that are beyond your current capabilities or understanding. The origin of out of one's depth is quite literal and comes from the physical experience of being in water that is too deep for standing. Over time, this literal experience has been transformed into a metaphorical expression. It's used across various contexts, from academic and professional settings to personal challenges, to indicate that someone is in over their head. To help you better understand how to use this phrase, here are a few examples. In academic context, I tried to take an advanced mathematics course, but I was completely out of my depth. In professional settings, during the meeting, when the discussion turned to advanced financial strategies, I felt out of my depth. In personal situations, I agreed to help organize the community event, but with the scale it's reached, I'm really out of my depth. These examples show that feeling out of one's depth can occur in various situations where the challenges exceed one's current knowledge or abilities. Incorporating out of one's depth into your speech is simple. Use it when you want to express that someone, possibly yourself, is facing difficulties due to a lack of experience, skills, or knowledge in a specific area. It's a way to acknowledge limitations or seek support without directly stating incompetence or ignorance. Understanding the phrase, out of one's depth, not only enriches your vocabulary but also helps you articulate feelings of uncertainty or inadequacy in a relatable way. We hope this video has shed some light on this expressive phrase and that you feel more confident using it in your conversations. Remember, it's okay to be out of your depth sometimes. It's an opportunity for growth and learning. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.